Welcome to Indian Rail. For monitor all activities of OBHS onboard housekeeping service, Swachh Safar web and mobile application developed by DRM Jabalpur and KOTA. This video is developed to provide step-by-step instruction for working in online OBHS services monitoring application used for trains from Jabalpur and KOTA Division. The hope is that the steps presented in this tutorial will provide you with foundational knowledge that can be built. As the name indicates, this is a quick start guide that serves as a launching point for your exploration into Swachh Safar app. This system has three parts for user activities. First, admin level for system configuration and control panel. Second, manager for monitor dashboard and reports. Third, EHK supervisor for use mobile application. Swachh Safar app is available on Google Play Store. You can download and install application in your device. Supervisor can perform all on-journey tasks on this application. To get all information from app, Supervisor should give access to GPS location, camera, gallery and microphone. Open the Swachh Safar application. Supervisor can log in by email, username and password or by mobile OTP. After logging the app, there will be list of assigned journey on dashboard. On click of journey app is redirect to journey page. There are different activities tab on this page like attendance, inspection and feedbacks. On click of new button on attendance, app will show an attendance page. There are list of supervisor and cleaner staff. On click of staff icon, app is redirected to turn on the camera and capture photos of staff. Similarly, take a photo for all other staff on app one by one. After last click on submit button, an app is redirected to journey view page. Next is inspection activity. Supervisor has to do some inspections before and after cleaning the railway. Clicking on the inspection button, new screen will be opened. Enter inspected coach number and area. Add comments. Clicking on image tab, camera will be opened. The live image of inspection is taken. Then clicking on submit button. Supervisor can show on inspection tab number of inspections taken. Now go to feedback tab. Feedback can be taken from passengers and railway. Clicking on passenger type, details will be opened. Select the coach type and coach. Enter the seat number, PNR, contact number, name is required to generate verification code. After save and generate code, questions will be displayed on screen with rating scale of smileys. Ratings are given by passenger and click on submit button. App is redirected to comment section. Passenger can be type comments or also record voice. Enter verification code and press submit button. Similarly process for railway feedback. Before close the journey, supervisor can check all activities like attendance, inspections and feedbacks. If any feedback is not verified, supervisor can re-verify particular feedback. On dashboard, there are lists for active, schedule and history journey available. Thanking all to share your valuable time for these operational activities of OBHS system Swachh Safar mobile application.